Hi everyone. We are going to see there the first methodology or first tool used to find out the performance of mutual fund is scheme returns. It is very simple type of tool utilized for the purpose of find out there the value of the scheme. By means itself, it is a return calculated for the scheme for a period of less than 1 year. So this is a short-term duration. It is purely calculated based on the NAV. It will help the investor to understand how much return can be earned in a year. That is what is scheme returns. And the second one is how it is going to be calculated. It is a very simple formula utilized for the reason of scheme return. This is also called as the simple return. So it is a pen. So bear with this information. The formula for calculate there the simple return is n value minus begin value divided by begin value multiplied 100. So it can be calculated in a simple way. A simple example: you are investing in a particular scheme. The NAV is 12 rupees. Later, you found that the NAV is improved, that is rupees 15. Now you are going to calculate the scheme return. The formula is simple: n value minus begin value divided by begin value multiplied by 100. So the results comes 25%. So this is the calculation of simple return. Suppose this availability, this 25 return is related to the last 8 months or last 6 months, which means then it will be converted to the year. So it is a very simple way to understand how much return I am going to get it in the simple return, or maybe in a scheme return. Scheme return, it is nothing but the simple return enjoyed in the particular scheme in a minimum of less than a year or a minimum of 12 months. This is also affected by a declared dividend. When the dividend is declared, naturally NAV value will be coming down. Then we have to take the calculation of ex-dividend NAV used for the end value, and mutual funds is also used the compounded annual growth rate, that is CAGR, which provides the compounding and dividend payment. SEBI accept this particular method of declaring the scheme returns when the investment period is more than a year. So when the investment return less than a year, we'll go for the scheme returns. When it is more than a year, we'll go to the CAGR. Thank you.